But like the first thing you just need to look at is like, okay, are we achieving goals as a company? If we're not
Right.
achieving goals as a company, chances are there's something inside of the team, whether it's culture, people, or some mixture thereof, that needs to be addressed. I think it's an interesting question because you can look at it two ways. What are the external factors? And then what are sort of like the internal factors that are required to make that happen? So I think externally, or how it would show up to a coworker, a leader, a manager, or even a customer, is employee engagement. And that's a widely overused term, I think. And what that really comes down to, I think from an owner's perspective, is people showing up like an owner. And then
Right.
that's almost a toxic phrase that's thrown out there, like employees showing up as owners. And the way I think it's toxic is that when owners think their employees are going to show up as owners, they think they can just step back and they'll just do everything. It's different. When an
Hmm.
employee shows up with an ownership mentality, it's that they're actually taking ownership and responsibility of the work they're doing. It's not that I'm going to run your business for you and you're going to go off and buy Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and take vacations. When most of the employees in a business are engaged, feeling responsible for their work, they're connected to the purpose, they understand that their work is meaningful, they themselves are growing. There's either a path for growth internally or externally. There's mutual respect amongst team members. But I think the most important measurable is the team achieving goals. What's the measurement for a successful sports team?
Winning.
The Dallas Cowboys might be unique in that they're like one of the most successful franchises in terms of money. They're incredibly profitable, but they don't win that much. Cowboys never win, but damn it, they're a valuable franchise. We could certainly jump into the weeds of engagement and respect and growth and all that
Mhm.
stuff. But like the first thing you just need to look at is like, okay, are we achieving goals as a company? If we're not
Right.
achieving goals as a company, chances are there's something inside of the team, whether it's culture, people, or some mixture thereof, that needs to be addressed.